Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix error code NW-31456-9 on PS4. Method 1. Use manual DNS and MTU. Open the settings menu on the PS4. Select Network. Go to Set up Internet Connection, then select the Wi-Fi or LAN cable option depending on how you connect. Here, I'm using the Wi-Fi Connect. Next, select the Custom option. Select a Wi-Fi network to utilize if required, and enter the password for it. Choose the automatic option for IP address settings. Select the Do Not Specify DHCP setting. Choose the manual DNS setting. Here, I will try with Cloudflare DNS. I will select primary DNS, then type 1.1.1.1. Next, select secondary DNS and type 1.0.0.1. Additionally, you can also try with other DNS such as Google DNS, OpenDNS, etc. Once done, select the Next. Select the manual MTU option. Input 1473 as the MTU number and select Next to continue. Select the Do Not Use Proxy Server option. Finally, select Test Internet Connection, then check if error code NW-31456-9 is gone. Method 2. Power cycle the PS4 and router. We need to turn off the PS4 and the router. After that, unplug their power cable. Wait from 5 to 10 minutes. After that, replug the power cable and restart them. At last, check to see if this helps you or not. Method 3. Try connecting to a different wireless network or different router. If you have more than one router, try replacing the router you are using with another router. We do this to eliminate the possibility that the problem is caused by the router's strict security features. If that's not possible, try connecting to a different wireless network, such as a neighbor's wireless network, mobile data, LTE, 4G, 5G, etc. Then check if the problem is gone. If using other network work for you, then come back, connect to your network and everything should work. Method 4. Check PSN server status. You can check PSN server status by selecting Settings. Select Network. Go to View Status of PlayStation Network Services, or by using your PC or smartphone to access the PlayStation Network status page in description. Over here, check if there are any issues or alerts affecting the PSN services, such as gaming and social, PlayStation Store, PlayStation Now, PlayStation Video, or PlayStation Music. If there are any issues or alerts, wait for Sony to resolve them and try again later. If there are no issues or alerts, the problem may be on your end or your PS4 console. Now, the system might not have obtained an IP address or the DNS settings may have been changed. Please contact your internet service provider for further assistance. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.